100% champion for ba mi hu nyansani bi ametuma ba man adentia e na me kasa sei mine no friends 4 years bi anoma be dada ye be ma mu schools adan nyuma ne ade de hia pa maburu ni hia pa ye nyuma enso mo ba mo dada maburu na mo fa mo na sabe senga Ghana ni be bia te se me kwadwa nka mo be boxing na nka maje akonwa no because nka me nka obi an mesiwa meto aba because obi anya kwase na waka acha me se gina ha twai me na me ba me gina sa ma de asa na o mai meaning ubu me se me yefu so me nka ya me nko ade a ka Ghana ni bia nto aba because obi an ho odwen ye ho jaliji ye nyuma gu ho over 20 something years and anu no wawu agya yen ya hu mfa so bia kofo ma ya sala so be ma ye nyuma ya hu hwe MPP ni ndc dia bullshit ohini bia anyi ni kuro ahemfo no mo Ghana ha no bia anyi ni kuro no wonye na nka ne na ne ye di ahemfo di so no na kuro we na etumpon na blofo no kuro asuro yen na seven players se jimio se babrofo no se kolan fu no ye nim dia mo pa kire mama o man na te agija na mabunu na eble enti baburu na o mo bokro no na mo muchi o mo gum no mo esan somo ya bre because nka was nka mo na mo hwe nkola no na mo hwe nkola na man nkola nze so ma ye nkwasiafo enti sankwasiafo nkola ne da ne nkwasiafo na se wo pani a otifie so ye kwasia bi because de odi akire osua de odi kan nante te me de manu kaza besia Ghana mpanimfo ndi o mo nyina seven players obi anwunu maburu no te mo mabunu mo mani na ho na mpanimfo no sebe o mo ye nkwasiafo o mo nwunu ye ho
Ebusiafo. About a year ago, say afi baako mu ani, Prophet Nijogezi Oshenkombi. O can say, afi 2020 about 2 year babeto no 7 December year. His Excellency the former President John Dramani Mahama and the NDC. Omo ena ebewini. Inti ebusua yeni kan yenka ye ho enkomhye na wo hye no 1 year ago no na seria ebusua enso hwa enkomhye no ehun review aba enkomhye no ehun amendment aba na say the revised version of enkomhye na wo hye no 1 year ago no aba nti yenka ye ho na say ba me de eno so atoa wo so ebusua yenka ye ho ne emra
into the dark days of 1983 the Lord said NDC the apparatus of NDC so not plan and think the future. They should plan and think now. The Lord came to me and told me that the nation should bring back Kwame Dramani of the NDC. The Lord said he should bring back Kwame Dramani of the NDC. And the Lord said through Kwame Dramani of the NDC, it's going to place the nation on a good place. The Lord said. So when the Lord said that, I prayed and I've invested. I want to say here and then that every prophecy has an investment to be made in. If the NDC to plan, think, and invest now, in the history of Ghanaian politics, in the history of prophetism in Ghana, I don't think that God has given precedence to any prophets. I saw the NDC win the next general election with 52.1%. I saw the NDC win the general election. If they should plan and think now, I saw Kwame Dramani win with 52.1%. Hear me and hear me.
We about a year ago. Na a whole review ebusia and ameba bekan achremono. And this is being reported by a Ghana page and as a GH page. A whole screenshot and a muhu ewa screen also no. And I read, Prophet Nijogezi drops another prophecy ahead of the 2020 elections. That is the headline. The leader of Prophetic Hill Church, Prophet Nijogezi, has dropped a cryptic prophecy ahead of the coming 2020 election, which is barely a week away. In the next 6 days, Ghanaians will be going to the polls to elect a new president and parliament members to represent them in their various constituencies. For the last few months, pastors and prophets have come out to drop prophecies concerning who would emerge as the winner of the elections. Reverend Osubempa and some other men of God have stated that current President Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo and his NPP would continue to be in office for the next 4 years. On the other hand, Prophet Nijogezi and others have also prophesied the second coming of John Dramani Mahama and his NDC party after the end of the election. In a new post cited on the timeline of Nijogezi on his social media, the preacher has revealed that the winner of the election won't be allowed to rule. According to him, John Mahama would win the presidential elections, but he won't be given the power because he is a northerner. His post reads, this is what he posted on his timeline on Facebook. The Lord says, tell the nation, they said they won't even give the power to JM, even if he wins, because he is a northerner. Let the NDC wake up. Let the good people of Ghana wake up to save this nation from worst darkness ever in our history, says the Lord. This is what Nijogezi is saying and has been reported by a Ghana page and as a GH page. In the first place, Yemisa Yahu say, enkom shall way, subject to review, and I say, enkom shall way, subject to amendment because Ocean Koma, and I say, Ocean Koma, Omuna SCSA. Omunyankopon na aka na se omunyankopon na eyi akire omo na nyame a mo se oye unchangeable God, nyame a mo se oye Alpha and Omega, nyame a mo se oye the same yesterday, today and forever. Sa nyame no den na nsem subject to review and as subject to amendment and as nsem no akwakoye se two-way traffic. So ye say ya ebe say se wa anye say ya ebe say na se eko e a we win eko bi nso we win. Which kind of prophecy is this? That is why I keep telling you, say, they call it prophecy, but I call it cheap predictions. We crap on any predictions, a cheap predictions. Ebusia say nyame a obo shoni asase two men nyina the Alpha and the Omega or no asabi we ase two men nyina kura no. Say sa nyame no e na appointed John Dramani Mahama say only the Ghana for a ebesi den e na Ghana for etimi agisa two men no efre nsem. Tinye se nyame a obo shoni asase sa nyame no to me nyina awura ewiase to me nyina ahye ne nsa sa nyame no no krese ono na wa appoint John Dramani Mahama se afi 2020 about we obewini se ne ba obetimi lead Ghana for the next 4 years ebesi den na odasani etimi asesa sa enkom sha na se sa asem na nyame akafa John Dramani Mahama hono ne se nyame no onye powerful ana nese nyame no ontimi krabo emputete nensem a waka na se o promosi obi bibia ontimi eni so ana se ontimi embo eho ban emasa nipa na na ebusia we krabo chese eyatro na se oka se John Dramani Mahama obewi ni na so yemfa ma no because oye nodna we a very serious statement. Sansem na waka na was national security for say Ghana ye serious as a nation. This is the time and go say national security for e fan no e picking no for questioning. Say with me about one thing ebe issue such a statement. Once aka bear 1 week, this is the time aka bear 1 week. I'm Ghana for akọ the polls akọ tuaba. So what me about one thing as odi4 and as osofo. Odi4 and as osofo anko say wonu mu nsem eye words of peace. Wonu mu nsem eye ensem bi a ebeka Ghana for abom. Wonu mu nsem ye ensem bi a ebehye Ghana for nkran. Say aka bear 1 week ama Ghana for akọ tuaba. So what me about one thing be ka say John Dramani Mahama his excellency ebe wini now so ye mfa mano because oye nordina na wan kasa no oye omambofo na wan kasa no you want to compromise the peace and stability of this country or this nation and we should not take it lightly and say ye fa no tra krasa because of the tribal division ever Ghana for them. I don't think say obi oho beka say ebia say Mahama winia and I say amafo bi plan say Mahama winia omfa mano simply because oye nordina David. I know said there are some individuals are still like omo tribal politics. There are some individuals are omo pe Mahama simply because oye nordina and ono yenim. And ono is nothing new. We all know it. So na your individuals bia omo pe Akufo-Addo simply because oye akanni. We all know it. But on say enye nsem a e won say ye gina simpie so eka. Say me ameti hey say ensem hunu bi e o mitrim na say man can na say man fan to dwa nobody cares. It does not affect anybody. Me say hunu no ehye me ami trim ehye wo trim. But the moment I remember bonten aba meka e dia to dwa no na say something has to be done. Say there is cause for an alarm. Because you say nipa near a free one ba na egu ho fi nya ne wodi ko mu. It is a same me jimi mpona se me jimi ka me trima. How does it affect the nation? How does it affect you? But the moment I make voice me jimi no out no na say something has to be done. It is a obi what tribal politics scramble in the trima na say obi mpe mahama asem simply because oye not dinner. Na se sa nipa no on come to dwa. We don't care. The tribal and partisan politics nature no it does not affect any one of us. Or it does not affect the entire nation. Now, so the moment I remember Bontia say, young Toma way and I say, way and winning, and I say, winning poor, young farmer because of ABR of free northern region, I say, or you're not now. I say, South about be serious. When you say Ghana for your family track crowd, say, the peace and stability of this country, or if you want to continue to enjoy the peace and stability that we have now as a nation, we should not take things like this lightly. We shouldn't take things like this lightly. A very serious issue, a very serious case. Tribal division is something we should not condone. Tribal politics is not something we should condone in this 21st century, in this era of governance. In this era of democratic governance, tribal politics and partisan politics is not something that we should condone in Ghana. Tribalism and genocide also Rwanda. Tribalism has plunged a lot of countries into chaos. Tribalism has brought civil wars into a lot of countries. They say, Obi Bejina Bonte, now we'll make it tribal comments. Let us condemn it with totality. Let us condemn it with the last drop of our blood. In as much as I always advocate for the youth to rise up and fight for their right, for we the youth to rise up and demand what we deserve. And don't just say, let us go out and pull knife and guns and cutlasses and go and fight. Meanwhile, say who civil war da eya bisa Liberia for. Say who civil war da bisa Liberia for. Long sleeve or short sleeve, ye twa won satin. Ye twa won satin. Say who civil war da, ask the people of Rwanda. And genocide na omo fair mu no eye omo ntam kese. Genocide na Rwanda for fame years ago no ababeye omontam kese ababeye a scar in their heart. They don't want to even remember. Civil war na de pa civil war and tokwa enya de pa. External war cramp be better because if like Ghana we are fighting with Nigeria, we will send our military to go and face them or to go and fight them. But civil war there is the military against the civilians. Civil war is like the rebels against the people. And not the pa. You can come nipa rough anyhow without thinking twice. It is a ubia can send be. That's a sa and sem no. A bet me are compromising the peace and stability of this country. Ebusia, let us not condone it at all. Prophet Njogezi, you must be ashamed of yourself. You must be ashamed of yourself and bow down your head in shame. So from who d for? So from who prophet now to me babonti make can say be in same hunu be say. In same hunu say. And we are all quiet simply because even most of our leaders believe in these so-called prophets. Most of our leaders go to them for this aquantre and all these things. So we allow them to do whatever they want in the country and get away with it, and nobody question them or nobody hold them accountable for anything simply because they said those things in the name of a God. Ebusia, moema yenina ho. Ghana se pesa ye man no ekonanim. Ghana se pesa ye man no ye also enjoy the peace and stability that we have now. Do ye nis kampua. Se sabi ehia yempo. Na se ye wasumdua ebusia. Asumdue no the foundation for any development to be able to take place. Because or might be amuni asumdue bia no forget about development, forget about anything. But the moment amu betimi achieve asumdue no, na say motimi achieve the foundation e betimi aboa ama mo man no enyi, mo man no etumpon in terms of development and in terms of everything. So let us not take our asumdue for granted. Let us not take our peace and stability for granted. And I'll use this opportunity to entreat all of you. Say, about to come 7 December, Busia, Eyasumdue Nkwa, Emma will be a mouse, a cafe, bisa kokomano. Emma will be a metam bibi in show themselves go and do this for me. Ebusia. If the political figures or politicians want people to fight for them, let them go and call their children, their uncles and nephews and mothers and fathers to come and fight for them because omu we need power. Yes, how for no and omu gaining not me no me you know. So don't go and risk your life to fight for any politician. Don't go and risk your life to fight for anybody. Meaning, just go to the ballot or go to the polling station, cast your ballot and go home peacefully. Or go and sit in some restaurant and order some fufu or banku and eat and enjoy yourself and go and sleep. The rest is for you to watch the news and listen to the media for updates on what is going on. Simple thing. Don't go and fight. Don't waste your time to go and fight for anybody. Remember you na hawati. Men trauma ubi na adao. Men trauma will be not doubt. There's nothing like an comshare. About to Ghanaians are the ones going to decide who becomes their leader for the next 4 years. And they're angels. And then Yankopon and decided. God does not interfere. If even there's God cry, he does not interfere in this kind of things in Ghana politics and in these cheap games. God does not interfere. Because the moment God will start to interfere in politics, no, they say God has reduced himself to nothing. Yes, God crampo no wabambe ye too cheap. Na say sebi asante hine crampo so on for such a God because asante hine mpono he does not indulge himself in politics. Say nyame obo so say or him pon kese the number one royal figure in this universe. Asa royal figure no obe involve himself in cheap politics like this dia and na sebi asante hine mpo ewo animunyam che no. God will never do that even if there's God. Sa nyame no onye sa da timi nwa mo ni na ho. Money na ho emma asofo we mo enkoso e na adaye. It's as simple as the tebusia. Use your brain and don't let anybody to deceive you. Say, go and fight for me. I'll give you this and I'll do that for you. And no. Minuya. Remember, those days, you know, those days where we go to the street to fight for politicians and whatever. Let us put a stop to it. So say the moment we hit the street, then we are hitting the street because we want the right thing to be done. We are hitting the street in peace. We want justice to prevail. We are hitting the street because we want our people, we want our leaders to develop our country for us. And we are hitting the street in peace and not with cutlasses and stones and guns and spears and bows and arrows. Tebusia, mwema yenida ho, senebeya, yemaino, yebetimi, akoso I enjoy the peace we are enjoying today. Senebeya, yebetimi, aboy homework na yahobu. You are hoping for a better tomorrow. What you say? Because without peace, there will be nothing like a better tomorrow. But with the peace we have now, at least we are hopeful. Say tomorrow might or will never be the same. It's as simple as that. My name is George Freemind, and you're part of the Freemind family. And see you in my next video. Have a nice time. Have a lovely day. Peace, bless up. Bye. Bye.